In today's video, we are going to be cash stuffing our wallet and adding a few dollars to our sinking funds and our family savings. If this is content you're interested in, please stay tuned. Alrighty guys, let's get started, and I think we're going to start with our wallet today, but before we do that, let's count this money. And I also have my paycheck workbook because I want to make sure that I'm putting away the amount that I'm supposed to be putting away for each category. We've got 1, 2, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 5, 100, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I was a little confused, but that's right. That's the amount that we're supposed to be saving. Guys, I already went food shopping and I also got some gas. Now, my food shopping budget is out the window. I spent quite a bit more than what I was supposed to, but I went to Sam's Club. It never fails. I think what I'm going to start doing is budgeting my money so that I go to Sam's Club during maybe my first pay period, or no, I'll do that during my second pay period. And then during my first pay period, I'll either go to Aldi, ShopRite, just, do the smaller food shopping and bulk up on items, 1 week. And then because if I go to Sam's Club twice, 3 times a month, I'm spending way too much money. All right, so gas, we got $30, and actually that filled up my tank. I was surprised. So we're going to put $20 here. Household is getting $10. Dining out, we're going to do $60. Fun day is going to get $10. And miscellaneous is also going to get 10. Okay, so that is it for my wallet. We kept it pretty simple. Now, I am really going to try my best. I know I'm going to spend some of this money, but I'm going to try to cut back on my dining out. And I'm also going to try and meal plan and figure out ways that I can cut back on my food spending, because as y'all know, here's a debt tracker that I printed out last night. I have a little bit of debt here and I want to get it paid off. So I'm going to use this to track the payments. It'll track the minimum payment, and I will track the minimum payment, and then I will track any extra payments so that we can get it paid off. So this year, you guys will see this often. I got this from Etsy. It was a printable. It was like $2.21, I believe. But again, we're going to work on that. That is going to be a priority moving forward. All right, so we're not cash stuffing all our sinking funds. We're only doing a few. So we've got car maintenance getting $10. Lawn care will be getting $15. Medical is getting $5. And actually, I think I'm going to be taking this money out. No, I might just use the buffer that I have in the bank so I can let this, continue to increase. Because I had to go to the pharmacy today and pick up some medicine. And for my meds, I do have a copay. So $10 for pet care. Sam's Club is going to get 10. I'm going to get this 10 and grab a 20. And we are going to add another 5 to self-care. All right, we are done here. And I don't have any $5 bills. Ain't that something, guys? Hopefully I have change here. Honest to goodness. All right, so everybody is going to be getting $5. All right, I'm definitely going to need some change because, let me see. Poor planning, y'all. Poor planning. All right, Bear with me a moment. Let me get some change so I can get this done. Alrighty, guys, I am back. I think I'm not sure if I stopped. Lordy, I don't know where I stopped. I'm not sure if I stopped on Jaden or Ayana. I'm going to go to Ayana, and what I'll do is if I find that I didn't put any money in his when I am editing this video, I'll make sure to put $5 there. Lordy, lordy. All right, so like I said, everybody is getting $5. I think I'm going to take 5 here and add a 10. I'm going to do the same with this one here. Alrighty, so that is it, guys. That is all I have for you today regarding my savings. So we've cashed off our sinking funds, our family binder, and we put some money in our wallet. Again, moving forward, I'm going to always try to put at least $5 into my family savings, and I'm also going to work on my sinking funds and continue to add money to that. Now, this money here, guys, is going to be going towards our savings challenges, and we will be working on those throughout the week. I'm going to continue to cash stuff my savings challenges because, as you know, we're going to use a lot of that money towards our debt and Christmas. So right now, that's going to be our priority for the next few months. I am going to continue to put a couple dollars into my family buffer 100 envelope challenge so that we have money there in case we need it. And that's probably what I should have did. I should have probably took some money out of there. But since it was new, I just started working on it. I'm trying not to touch that money for a bit. But it is there if we need it, and I need to remember that. Alrighty, guys, that is all I have for you today. I appreciate you all being here. And again, I hope you're having a lovely start to the new week. I am loving the temps outside right now. It is 69 degrees, and it's only supposed to go up, I believe, to 75, 76. So y'all know I am a fall baby. I absolutely love fall. It is my favorite season. So I'm excited to, enjoy the day. Me and the kiddos are headed out in a little bit. And, hopefully we'll have a good day. This is their last week of summer break. So because we were in the house for a few weeks, dealing with the gas issue, I want to, show them a good time. Yes, there are going to be days where we're going to spend a few dollars, but there are days where there will be no spending, and that's what I'm going for. Hopefully it'll be more those days than the spending days. Alrighty, guys, take care, stay blessed, and we will be chatting soon.